constructed action is conveying what happened without using signs. The signer will act out what the person, animal, or animate object did by conveying its movements, gestures, attitude, etc. Just as you take on the role of another person in constructed dialogue, you step into the other role for constructed action. Let's say that you are going to describe a sensei who expertly ties his jiu-jitsu belt on, and the young student who struggles to tie her belt and eventually asks for help. In ASL, you could use signs to describe the scenario like this. In ASL, you could use constructed action to describe the scenario like this. As you can see, the potential impact of using constructed action is far greater than simply signing to describe what occurred.